guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode, limpia ahí, corre. In this episode, I have a little update about this power degreaser from Chemical Guys. Cheaper to buy the 5-gallon than the small one. And like I told you before on the previous episode, I like this so much that I went and bought more. I'm gonna show you a little bit on the cleaning that I do in the engine bay right now, because a few episodes ago, if you remember, I put Lucas on the power steering, and I just cleaned the pump just to give an update in like a couple of months. It's been working great. I don't see any more leaks, but underneath is a lot of power steering fluid that has been dripping for so long. I'm gonna clean it in a minute. I almost running out, so I'm gonna put more into my little sprayer. And also, I want to show you guys my new merch. I'm about to release this. My brother actually is working on the new merchandise. So I have white and black for now with my logo. And hopefully you guys like it. Once I get the website going, my website is already live. But once I have everything set up for the new merch, I'm going to drop it in there, let you guys know. And hopefully you guys can help and buy some merch. I'm not getting paid for this, but this product is really good. If you look closely, right there is the dipstick. It was covered in grease. I just sprayed with the orange degreaser. Look at it now. What I'm doing right now is not a full engine clean. I want to heat all that down there. Everything is covered by power steering fluid. I already sprayed some in there. So if you look right there, I'm gonna spray all that so we can remove all the grease, power steering fluid, oil, everything that has been sitting in there. As you can see, it's coming out. This thing is really good. I'm gonna spray the whole bottom of the engine and let it sit, let the product work. Then I'm just gonna throw water in it and let it dry. Okay guys, if you see, everything looks clean now. Before I just cleaned the pump and right there, because right in there, because it was the leak in there. And also it was a leak on this gasket and everything was dripping over there. Now the dipstick, pump, and everything around it is super clean. And when I did the episode, I filled the power steering reservoir until the full line, and it's been there and I don't see any leaks down there. That's why I decided to clean it really good today. And in like a couple of months, I'm gonna do an update to see how Lucas is doing on the power steering pump. So far, it's good, and I can tell you that because I've been helping my friend. He's a handyman. I've been helping him the whole last week. At his job, he asked me for 2 weeks if I can help him for 2 weeks, and I've been driving a lot. So I can tell you that this thing works because I don't see more leaks on the power steering pump. One thing to say is this one is super strong. That one, they diluted with water, I guess, because it's not as strong as this one, but it gets the job done. Yeah, mama. Okay guys, this one in the small bottle is super strong. It's concentrate. That one, when you buy the 5-gallon, is cheaper, but they dilute it with water, I guess, because it's not as strong as this one, but still it gets the job done. But I think next time when I get to buy another one, I'm not gonna buy this one because it's not as strong as this one. I gotta get another one. And for the merch, um, once I get the website going, I'll let you guys know. I have white and black. With on the white, it's gonna be red letters, and this one is white letters. I'll leave it with that, guys. I hope you like this little update and episode. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.